Good morning everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be decorating my sink area and my coffee bar. I hope everybody is awake and ready to be inspired and well rested. So I just wanted to bring to you guys ways that you can bring pops of color and just liven up your area even in a small space. My areas are not very big, but I really love bringing in these pops of color because it awakens the room. So all those small trinkets, that tree and love sign, those are all from Target Dollar Spot this year. So I'm just going to clean this area up and we're going to start setting up our coffee bar. Now I did DIY make my tiered cake pan stand. I got all my supplies from Dollar Tree. If you've seen my Valentine's Day haul, it cost me only $5 for everything. Well, $6 if you include the super glue. Now I recommend using E6000 or hot glue, but I just had super glue on hand, so that's what I went with. My theme here was just like pops of color and still kind of winter, so you still see trees. So here's my stand. It is two different colors here, but I just have not decided on which color I want to go with yet, so I decided to leave it until I definitely know what direction I want to go in. So here's these little DIY handprints that I made with the salt and flour dough recipe. I made these of the kids' handprints last year, and I thought they were just a cute addition because they look like little cookies. These little stand-up signs I found at the Target Dollar Spot this year, as well as this glass. These little stir sticks I also got at the Target Dollar Spot, and this little starter fluid cup I found at Walmart. It's like the knockoff Ray Dunn. And then this little cup here I actually got as a wedding favor from one of my friends, and I just added this little ribbon to it to just give it some extra character. I do need to restock my coffee, but I'm putting up what I have just to show you where I am going to be keeping it. As well as I added some hot chocolate packets up here for the kids. Next, I just have some of these breakfast bars here, or snack bars. They have protein in them, so I'm just putting some of these up here. I would love to keep candies up here, but I know that my kids will just come up here and take it right away. So next I have this little coffee stand-up sign, and I also got that from Target Dollar Spot, and this XO sign I just had on hand already. I am putting these on my backsplash with the little 3M strip tapes. Ever since I discovered these little strips, I've just been going mad with them when it comes to this coffee area. And then the same, if you want, I'll insert the video here from my Christmas video so you can see how I made this frame. But this is just a picture that I printed off and put into this frame, and I'm hanging it up here with the 3M strips. And then lastly, I have this cute little candle here that was gifted to me this Christmas, and it smells so good. And this cute little stainless cup here that I already had on hand. And so that's everything. And last thing that I have to add is just my little kitchen towels. I found these at Dollar Tree this year. I really love how everything comes together, and it just brings in those pops of color and just livens up the area, which really helps me just love my space because I am in such a small space, but this brings it all together. So here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope I encourage you to go out and find some cheap DIYs and also just some affordable options for you to liven up your space. So have a good weekend. I'll see you guys in the next one.